Point cloud pre-processing complete. Next, go to Mesh Modeling and select 3D Reconstruction. In Mesh Modeling interface, select File. Create a new project, then enter the project name. Start by importing photos. Choose the result or image folder. Photos from 3 camera groups have been imported successfully. Next, import the photo POS file. Select the image text file inside the image folder. Set the projected coordinate system and matching fields. Columns 5, 6, and 7 can be left as N or A. Next, import the prepared camera parameter files into each photo group. All pre-processing is done. Now let's start the task. Right-click to create an arrow triangulation task. Select the High Precision Attitude Assisted Adjustment option. Set data type to generic. Set Start Engine, then wait for the computation to complete. After the process is complete, check the valid photo ratio and point cloud quality. Make a copy of the POO file, then change its extension to CSV for software import. Right-click and select Import Mobile Point Clouds. Import the colored point cloud and the POS file in order. Finally, match the POS fields and set the projection coordinate system. Importing mobile point cloud. Check that the imported point cloud matches the scan trajectory. Once the point cloud coordinate system is verified, right-click and add it to the results. Next, create the reconstruction task to render the model. Select the coordinate system for the model. Perform region cropping. Left-click to select the area, right-click to confirm the selection. Crop and preview the modeling area. Product format, OSGB or OBJ. Source of geometry, point clouds only. Source of texture, point cloud FOF texture fine. Reconstruction in progress. The mesh model generation is complete. Click Open Product Directory to view the output directory. Open Hi-LiDAR, select the OSGB Browse option. Copy the data folder into the software for model preview. Previewing the model.